Hey guys, and welcome back to another clean form video. In today's video, I have a video for you guys today. So as you know, today Samsung had their live stream event where they're announcing new devices like the new Buds 2 and other products. I'll let you kind of watch that stuff. You can go to Samsung.com. Actually, check that right now. It started at 10, so it's probably over by now. But check this out. You go to boostmobile.com, guys, and you scroll down a little bit. Look at this. It's pretty cool. News get ready to unfold. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G is launching pretty soon on Boost Mobile. This is going to be on the 27th of August, which is basically like 2 weeks away, if that, from this, which is pretty cool. It's going to be now it's not going to be a budget-friendly device, which is kind of strange, but not really strange to be on Boost Mobile because, of course, we have the S21s and the iPhone 12s and all that stuff that do bump up there close to the $1,000 range or even higher than that. So, but we've never had the Z Flip. I know we could use it as a BYOD device, and of course, I think this is one of the things I was talking to you guys about. If you remember watching my videos, that now that Boost Mobile doesn't just use Sprint's network, it uses T-Mobile's network and maybe AT&T's, which are both GSM networks. I believe that's letting uh, more compatibility with different phones that Boost Mobile couldn't use before, because you either had to be like on a Sprint network and some phones weren't available on Sprint. But now with GSM network running either AT&T or T-Mobile, mainly right now T-Mobile, like I said, they haven't switched over or anything like that. It's a big thing. So um, there's no info just yet. I mean, more will come, but since the event just happened today, I think this is something that's going to be real big. So this is not the Fold, guys. That's the Fold's a really expensive one. This is the Flip, the smaller one, and we'll check out this article from The Verge. That way you guys can see it. Um, so see, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 announced with much bigger, more useful cover display. So let's read some of this part. Like I said, this is not the Fold. This is the Flip, which is the smaller and cheaper one. So let's get into it. It says, and we'll kind of discuss when we get to the end of this video, we'll kind of discuss what I think the pricing will be on Boost Mobiles and this and that. But this is not the official Boost Mobile one just yet. Like I said, that will come out, which should be the same. But this is talking about the Z Flip if you guys didn't watch the event. So it says a lower price is certainly part of the appeal. The Samsung Z Flip 3 starts at $1,000 or $999, guys. Like I said, I don't like to sugarcoat it. I say 1,000, but it's $999. Versus, like I said, it's a lot cheaper than the Fold, that's for sure. So it says Samsung's foldables down below the $1,000 mark without discounts. Of course, sometimes, like I said, Boost Mobile, Cricket, or Metro, or even Samsung themselves will have discounts. So this is just the MSRP. It's going to be basically $1,000 for the first time. So it says that'll get you 128 gigabytes of storage. Wow, that's pretty good. So you'll get 128 gigs of storage with 8 gigs of RAM, guys. That's pretty high, pretty good for a phone. Now, like I said, it's $1,000, so let's not sugarcoat it. Like I said, and I mean, I wouldn't expect anything less, honestly. Like the much pricier Fold 3, sorry, the mailman. Like the much pricier Fold 3, the Flip 3 is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 888, guys. Wow. So that's going to be the newest and best Snapdragon out there. It says has robust 5G support and is IPX8 water resistant, so it can survive a swim. Wow, I wouldn't recommend it, guys. Don't go try and swim in that. Like I said, when people say it does this and that, I don't really trust it. Like last year, Samsung is including a pair of wide and ultra wide rear cameras around back. Both are 12 megapixel sensors. Like I said, it doesn't all matter about megapixels. It also depends on the software and the lens. With the standard camera offering an a 1.8 aperture, optical image stabilization, and the ability to record HDR 10 plus video, digital zoom. Let me go get this kid. All right, sorry about that. Um, So like I said, does have recording HDR 10 plus video. Digital zoom tops out at 10 times, so you'll not getting the extended space zoom compatibilities of the S21. So like I said, it is what it is. So here it is. Like I said, what's cool about this is a compact design, guys. It's basically like a flip phone, but you pop it open and boom, you get full screen. Now, I remember when the first flips and folds came out, a lot of people were having issues with the screen because remember, it's a foldable screen, guys. That's a lot of technology right there. Don't think it's anything easy or anything like that. Because remember, glasses or screens are not supposed to fold or bend. They usually break. They do break if you do that stuff. So I remember there was a lot of, I think there was even some recalls with Samsung saying that, or people complain that, particles of dust would get in between the screen. When you closed it, it would pop the screen or something like that. So, but it's pretty cool. From here, it does say it has 120 hertz display refresh rate, 120 hertz refresh rate, which is really good. That's what I would want on my phone, especially if I'm spending $1,000. So it says a primary 6.7 inch 22 by 9 display has been upgraded from 60 hertz and now has a smoother 120 hertz. So there you go, guys. 60 hertz going to 120. Like I said, this is not something that I'm surprised by. I would hope that they would have 120 hertz, so they are doing adjustments and refreshes to it. Also has optimized battery life. You do have the selfie camera cut out on the top of the screen. Samsung switched to an under display camera on the Fold 3, but keeps things simpler here. So you still have the teardrop kind of look here, but it is what it is. On both phones, the company has made durability improvements to the protective film that covers the ultra-thin glass. In the case of the Flip 3, Samsung says it's 30% stronger. This is what I was telling you guys because, if a company comes out with a $1,000+ phone and it's having screen issues, which is the main, I think, component of the phone, because that's what you could look at. Without the screen, the phone's useless. They're having issues, and like I said, some recalls, so it's nice that they're saying that it's 30% stronger. That could lead to fewer blemishes and basically indentations on the screen protector. A lot of people, I remember when they first came out, thought it was a screen protector. People would peel it off. Now it's a screen. We're breaking it. A lot of people didn't know. Now they have, I think, a sticker or something that says, hey, don't peel it off. You're going to break this freaking thing, It's pretty cool. I do like this little case. It's real nice. I would get something like that. It's pretty cool, guys. It says a smoother primary display is certainly a welcome improvement, but the most critical upgrade to the Z Flip 3 is the outer cover screen. It's now 4 times larger than the small oval that was such little use to the original Z Flip. So here you go, guys. That big screen right there is what they're talking about. It is bigger and you can see a lot better versus the smaller one. So like I said, it's better for checking notifications and all that good stuff. So it looks like Samsung kind of is taking a look at the Motorola Razr, which is also a flip phone, foldable, should I say, phone, and they do have a big display for Samsung's small one. So it's pretty cool. Wow, look at that. You can even do music on it. Pretty cool, guys. It says, in fact, the cover screen is now big enough that you can use it as a viewfinder when taking selfies. Wow. Samsung says it can be used for video recording and vlogs. Wow. But to make that would be pushing it. You can also access Android quick settings as Samsung Pay for cover display. Very exciting stuff, guys. Expanding the size of the outer screen makes the whole concept of the Z Flip 3 so much appealing to me. Well, I guess to the guy that's doing this, it's really nice to see a big screen phone and overall a big phone too. Let's finish it off by saying other upgrades to the Z Flip 3 that aren't so obvious at first glance include a new stereo speaker that supports Dolby Atmos audio. Wow. So I'm a big, I don't know, I like to watch a lot of videos and movies on my phone. It's convenient, especially if I'm at work or, on a break or something like that. I like to also get good audio listening experience, and this is nice that they did an upgrade with that. It says Samsung's Flip 3's Flex mode activates when the phone is partially folded. Wow. Will put media like videos and album art at the top half, automatically relocate controls to the bottom. Wow. And of course, to last finish off, the colors is a cream, a green, a purple, a black, a gray, a white, and a pink. So pretty cool. So it says the latter three are exclusively available to Samsung's website. Pre-order start today, guys, and the phone will be available in stores August 27th. That's the same time that it will be available, I believe, on Boost Mobile. I'll get more, but it looks like the cream, the green, the purple might be the colors that you can only get through Samsung's website. So overall, guys, what do you think? I think this is pretty cool. Are you gonna buy this phone? I don't know. It's really pricey for me to get it since all my phones that I get, I buy out of pocket. So it'd be kind of expensive to get this phone and, blow the whole budget of the channel, really. So it'd be a little tough. But let me know in the comments below. Would you get it? Like I said, I know big YouTube reviewers are probably going to get it. So it's going to be the same thing. I stick more to the budget ones, which actually I need to get a couple more pretty soon. So let me know in the comments below, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. And yeah, Dragonic Warfare sign off. To finish it off, if you want to support the channel, you can by checking out Honey. Honey's a free web browser extension that finds you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Boost Mobile, Cricket, Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy, and more. And many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/Dragonic Warfare. Well, actually, that might be wrong. It's been a little while. So check out, everything will be in the description below, guys. Check it out. So check it out. Thank you.